guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Daniela. So for this video, I thought I would do my own 24-hour challenge. You've seen them all over YouTube. People have been doing different ones. So I decided that I'm going to be doing my own 24-hour challenge. And it's going to be the no talking for 24 hours. And I think this is going to be really hard for me because I'm a talker. I like to joke around. I like to goof around. So I am nervous. The first half of the day is going to be totally easy. But what I'm worried about is later today because I'm going Christmas shopping with a few people. So I don't know how that's going to turn out. But I'm going to vlog it all so you guys can see it to make sure that I can do it and that I'm doing it. So without further ado. Okay, so before I get started real quick, it is 10:50 a.m. on a Friday. I will be doing it from now until 10:50 a.m. tomorrow, Saturday. Let's get started. Okay, when you turn 25, you think that you won't feel old, but you definitely do. I'm tired all the time. I have no energy. My metabolism is slowing down, but that's okay because your girl's looking thicker than ever, so... Alright, let's get going.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. If you don't get
This is what you want, a spicy chicken wrap? Alright, I'll tell him. A 4 for 4 with the spicy chicken go wrap.
Okay, what's the drinking? What kind of sauce?
Dr. Pepper and barbecue.
Dr. Pepper and barbecue. Can I get you anything else?
And then another 4 for 4 with the junior bacon.
Beyond?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, 876. Thank you.
Thanks. Did you just shove that whole thing in your mouth?
I did it. I am the GOAT. I am the greatest of all time. I fucking did it. It is now 10:51. I wanted to make sure. And, yeah, so I did it. I'm actually really surprised. It was actually a lot easier than I thought. So, I'm just awesome. Okay, so that's all I have for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you think I'm a dumb bitch, put it down in the comments below. And while you're here, you might as well subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you.